subscriber, get it right now. It's Riding the Dragon, the Biden's Chinese Secrets. More in a minute.
This is the Glenn Beck Program.
Shawnee has extended the Genucel Summer Blowout Sale one more week. This is the last week to get the instant $30 coupon applied automatically to online or phone order. Just go to Genucel.com or call them at 800-577-8709. Plus, you get the Genucel Jawline Treatment and Classic Genucel for bags and puffiness. And Chamonix will double your supply of both products for free. My mom has been using Genucel for a while now. She loves it, and she continues to ask for more of it, which, of course, I oblige because I'm just a great son, and that's just who I am. I mean, that's just the way I roll. Well, whatever. Born in America, still made in America, that's the Chamonix way. And now it's your turn to look years or even decades younger. And here's the thing, if you don't believe that, that's totally understandable. Skepticism is but Chamonix guarantees their results are 100% back. You know, like you're going to get all your money back. It's that easy. Order today while the special is still on. Genucel, get it now. Chamonix will double your order for free for the final week and for results in minutes. The Genucel Immediate Effect is also free. Get double your order plus a surprise luxury gift from Chamonix at 800-577-8709 or Genucel.com. It's GENUCEL.com.
We're 30 minutes away from the big fight where Stu and I go toe-to-toe, head-to-head, fist-to-fist on COVID. And the latest from the New York Times.
On TV Wells, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. More than 25 million people worldwide have been infected by the coronavirus, and the United States is closing in on 6 million infections. A busy weekend of shootings in Providence included 3 victims reportedly going to the hospital for non-life-threatening injuries. One person was arrested at a Providence protest related to racial justice and the shooting of Jacob Blake last night. The protest started at Central High School and finished at the Providence Public Safety Complex. In sports, Bruins face the Lightning at 7, Red Sox face the Braves at 7:30. Get News 24/7 on demand at NewsRadioRI.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Today, mostly sunny to start and very cool. Increasing cloudiness is expected through the day with highs reaching the middle 70s and a crisp feel to the air. Another cool start on Tuesday with temperatures in the 50s, then a mix of sun and clouds in the middle 70s throughout the afternoon. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Guardrail installation blocking the right lane from the state offices up to Lonsdale Ave until about 3 today. Stop and go on 146 South from 116 to Sherman Ave. There's work going on in the median, and you're busy on 295 South from the Putnam Pike to a work zone near Route 5. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Positive Coaching Alliance.
Got issues with youth or high school sports? Positive Coaching Alliance can help. PCA, a national nonprofit, offers more than 1,000 free online resources for youth and high school sports coaches, parents, students, and administrators. Visit pca.zone.org.
Are all successful people full of crap? I'm John Rhode. I'm an entrepreneur who went from being broke at 28 to a millionaire at 29 to having a mental breakdown at 30. Here on the John Rhode Show, I'm going to explore the roller coaster of life with the world's most successful people. iHeartRadio is #1 for podcasts, and it's easy to see why. Listen to the John Rhode Show every Monday on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts. For more info, go to Rhode.com. That's ROA.com. It's Trump versus Biden, and the swing states like Florida, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Wisconsin,
Netflix, big deal. We're gonna bring in, we're bringing in Monica. Oh, down the neck, there she is. With look at all the trophies behind her. Next.
Just a young gun.